Okay, good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Complete the statistics chapter, 100% completed. The remaining exercise problems, the same like problems, I have to homework. So, we are going to the next chapter, new chapter, limits and the derivatives. Limits and derivatives. So wait. Okay, blueprint weightage equals 16 marks. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So 3, 6, 10, 15 marks. 1 mark question. 1 2 marks question. 1 3 marks question. 1 4 marks question. 1 5 marks question. This is the weightage. The weightage is heavy weightage and very simple chapter, very simple, and introducing the in first year, starting fundamental first year, only new chapter in first year introduced by first year. Okay, so the new chapter, the second year, second PUC also continue the only in first year only fundamental limits and derivatives, fundamentals only. Okay, the second PUC continue the limits and derivatives. Limits and derivatives is a heavy chapter, heavy weightage, the lengthy. Okay, so and derivatives, integrations, differential equations, continuity. Oh, so many problems are, so many models are there, so many. So totally continuous, so derivatives, so integrations, so totally depending on this limits and derivatives, first fundamental. Okay, if the fundamental in first year limits and derivative, if anyone are perfect, then in second year very easy. So in half of weightage, total in 150 marks paper, in the question paper with choice. Tell you 100 marks we can write. You will write 100 marks only, but choice also with choice. 150 marks paper. In 150 marks, half of the syllabus. Totally half of the syllabus totally limits, derivatives, integrations. This totally half of the syllabus, nearly 75 to 80 marks in second year. Okay, only limits, derivatives, integrations, this one, they related. Limits, derivatives related to each other, and derivatives, integration related to each other. So integration is the antiderivative. So compulsory you have to perfect the derivatives. Okay, so very simple, and so many formulas are there into like trigonometry have so many formulas. So the limits and derivatives also so many formulas, each and every problem by the depending on the formula and formula applications, so must be perfect. So ನೀವು ಈ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ನ ಚಾಪ್ಟ್ರು ಇದು ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ಸು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ 75 to 80 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸು, ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ನಿಮಗೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ Limits definition is, there is no perfect definition. So limit x tends to a, okay, limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to L. ORR, limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to L. L belongs to R. How to read? Limit some members LT also limit first and last letter. Some members LIM, both are same. LT, LIM, both are same. This is called x tends to a or x approach to a. Same. Some members same. Some members saying x tends to a. Some members saying x approach to a. Both are same. Limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to L. Here x approach to a, x tends to a means x equal to, approximately equal to a, x is equal to a, x is equal to a. So this is the function in the variable x or anything in the variable the function. X tends to a, this is x value, this is limit symbol. We have to calculate limit. So L is the number. Number means belongs to R. Belongs to R. Once again, how to read? Limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to L over R. Limit x approach to a, f of x is equal to L. L is the answer value, L is a real number, f of x is a function, x tends to a is a number or value. Limit, this one. Okay. Next to L is always real number. So exist. Limit exist means what? Limit exist. Limit exist means that L is always belongs to R. Always belongs to R. Sir, for example, limit x tends to a, x square. For example, limit x tends to a, x square. That x tends to 0. Something x tends to 0. X tends to 0. Anything x tends to a, 0. Limit x tends to means arrow. Limit x tends to 0, x square value. What is the value of limit x tends to 0, x square? So this is the function. F of x is equal to what? X square. So substitute x is equal to 0 in the given function. 0 square is equal to 0. 0 square is equal to 0. 0 is a real number. So limit exists. It is single one. The only function, only single function. Only one function is given. The simple one is exist. Exist means what? Limit exist means what? Real number. That value is equal to real number. For example, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x. What is the procedure? First of all, procedure. Limit x tends to 0 means, limit x tends to 0 means, in the function substitute x is equal to 0. X tends to 1 means substitute x is equal to 1 in the given function. Simple, very simple. Sin x by x. So substitute x is equal to 0. Sin 0 by 0. Sin 0 is to 0. Sin 0, 0. 0 by 0. 0 by 0 is not defined. 0 by anything. 0 by 1 is equal to 0. 0 by 2 is equal to 0. 0 by 10 is equal to 0 and so on. So 0 by 0 is not defined. This is called indeterminate symbols. Indeterminate symbol. Indeterminate forms. Indeterminate forms is what is indeterminate forms? 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, 0 power 0, infinity power infinity, 1 power infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 power infinity, infinity power 0. This is interminal forms. Internal forms, this is not defined. Any scientist, okay, any scientist does not define, okay, this is not defined symbols, forms, okay. That limit value should not be this type of forms, should not be this type of forms. నీవు లిమిట్ ఎక్స్ టెంగ్స్ నీవు లిమిట్ వాల్యూ అనేది ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು 0 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು 1 ಎಕ್ಸ್ 1 ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ కదా, ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಯಾವುದು ಬರಬಾರದು, ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಬರಬಾರದು. ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಓಕೆ, ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರಬಾರದು. ಸೊ 0 ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, infinity is the answer, infinity also answer, not defined but exist. So this is not, this type of formula should not be come barabaradu. Okay, so sin 0 by 0, this one. Okay, this type of symbols will come, it comes this type of internal forms it comes. So simplify the given function, okay. What is the first one? For example, limit x tends to a, x square minus a square by x minus a. For example, limit x tends to a, x square minus a square by x minus a. So substitute x is equal to a square minus a square by a minus a, so that is equal 0 by 0. This is not an answer because this is internal symbol. So internal symbol it comes, that function, that problem don't have the answer. Okay, compulsory any function have the answer, but this is internal symbol, this problem is wrong, is not correct, problem is correct, but internal symbols it comes, we have to simplify or apply the formula. For example, actually sin x by x is 0 by 0, so introduce the formula. This type of functions, so this type of problems have to derive formula. Sin x by x, so limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1 now. So x square minus x square minus n into, so formula is there. So after that I will explain. First of all, x tends to a is take x tends to a, substitute x is equal to a. First, which type of forms should not become, this internal symbol should not become, it's come, simplify the function. For example, x square minus x minus a, this answer is directly apply the x is equal to a, the get internal form. So we have to simplify. How to simplify? Limit x tends to a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b by x minus a. X minus a cancel. So limit x tends to a, x plus a, that is equal to a plus a is equal to 2a. So get answer. Okay, this one. So limit when exists, that limit value equal to L belongs to R. Okay, when that limits exist, otherwise limit does not exist, or simplify the function and calculate them. This one. Next, left hand limit and right hand limit. Left hand limit, right hand limit. Okay, here left hand limit and right hand limit. left hand limit, left hand limit, simply LHL. So we say that left hand limit, how to write left hand limit? This is limit means, for example, limit x tends to a, limit x tends to a f of x. This is only limit, because only limit. So left hand limit means limit, we say that simply limit x tends to a minus, power minus. Minus means what? Left hand limit f of x, limit x tends to a minus. A minus means x less than a. X less than a means this is the real line. For example, this is the real line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. For example, x less than 2. Less than 2 means the x value approaches to near value. For example, x less than 2 means x approaches to near to 1. This is x less than 2 means this is the line goes to right to left. Less than 2 means 1.9, 1.99, 1.8, 1.7, 1, 0.1, something, all are less than. A minus means nearly, very near to a. So near to a goes to, this is right to left. So this one. Okay, limit x tends to a, we say that limit x tends to a minus f of x is expected value of expected value of f at x is equal to a. Expected value of f at x is equal to a. Given the values of f, given the values of f near to x, a minus value near to x to the left of a, near to x to the left of a. A is equal to what? For example, 2 minus limit x tends to 2 minus f of x. Here a is equal to what? 2. 2 is near to left of a, left, right to left. Okay, this one left of a. The value is called left hand limit. The value is called left hand limit. So symbolically, this is the limit x tends to a minus f of x. So right hand limit is simply RHL, R dot H dot L. Same formula. We say that limit x tends to a plus f of x. Left hand limit means minus, right hand limit means plus. We say that limit x tends to a plus f of x is expected value of f at x is equal to a, given the value of f near to x to the right of a, to the right of a. Left hand limit near right of left of a. Right hand limit means right of a, near to right. For example, 2 plus a plus means, for example, x tends to 2 plus means very near to 2.01, 2.001, 2 point something, this one 2 point very near to exactly. Approximate value of 2.01, 2.02, this one. Okay. So existence of limit. When the limit exists, left hand limit LHL is equal to RHL is equal to L. left hand limit to find out, we have to find out left hand limit, right hand limit, that value LHL value LA, RHL value also L. So both are equal and same value exist. It is important. For example, LHL value 0 by 0, RHL value 0 by 0. So limit exists? Is not exist, because the limit does not exist because of that internal forms. We get that limit get internal forms. So limit exist agbeku ಅಂದ್ರೆ that value belongs to or exist and equal. Simply limit x tends to a minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to a plus f of x is equal to L. In first limit only single function is given, single function are given, only single function means only limit x tends to f of x is equal to L, means limit exists. Two or more functions are given, so must be calculate LHL, RHL and value. So LHL, RHL, when limit exists, limit x tends to f of x is equal to L and LHL is equal to RHL is equal to L, that limit exists. What is the meaning of left hand limit? Left hand limit, that value x tends to a, the value of x is equal to a, the left of a, x value left of a. This is right hand limit, means that value right of a near to. For example, limit x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus means without 2, up to goes to left of a left. RHS greater than a plus means what? This x less than a plus means x greater than a, plus means greater than means that x goes to right of a, okay. So this is the limit and left hand limit, right hand limit. So some more formulas are there, very very important formulas. Okay, some more formulas are there. I will write after that. All are perfect. You have to perfect first formulas. First one, limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a. Actually this value have to calculate the value a power n, x tends to a power n minus a 0, a minus 0, 0 by 0. This form is 0 by 0, so indeterminate form. So direct formula have to get formula n into a power n minus 1. So limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. These all formulas have internal forms. So third one, limit x tends to 0 tan x by x is equal to 1. Fourth one, limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0 a power x minus 1 by x is equal to log a to the base e. Sixth formula, limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus x by x is also 1. Next, seventh formula, limit x tends to 0 1 plus x whole power 1 by x is equal to e. Limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by x whole power x is also e. Ninth formula, limit x tends to 0, sin inverse x by x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, tan inverse x by x is also 1. 10 formulas. This is the fundamental basic limit formulas. Tomorrow once again I will explain, and some more formulas I will write. I will explain some more formulas. Okay. Today all are these 10 formulas all are perfect. If you perfect, the problems are very easy. Then the problems are very easy. So only simple formulas, 10 formula. Each and every formula have the in-terminal form. So sin 0 0 by 0, tan 0 0 0 by 0, e power 0 1, any power 0 equal to 1. Any power 0 means not 0 power 0. 0 power 0 is not a exact value, in-terminal form. So any power 0 1, 1 minus 1 0 by x tends to 0 1 0. So a power x, a power 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 by 0 form. Log 1 plus x, 1 plus 0, log 1 0 by 0. So totally the total each and every formula means internal form. Formula is nothing but internal form. How to solve the internal form problems? By using the formula. Internal form, first step, first direct apply the x value, first step. So belongs to our real number, it comes means no problem. If not come means first using the simplification, step 1 simplification. If it not a simplification means step 2 using the formula. First ನೀವು x tends to a ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೋ ಅದು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕనుక ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನಂತರ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್గా ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. 3 steps. First direct apply the x value, second step simplification, third step by using the formula. 3 steps. Each and every problem has 3 steps. Simple. Okay. Tomorrow I will explain some more formulas. Okay. Thank you.